Okay, folks, similar polygons. Remember, a polygon is a figure with straight sides, okay, with lines for sides. It is closed. That means all of the sides are connected, okay? These polygons happen to be triangles, okay? Now, similar polygons, let's talk about that for a moment. The two triangles shown below are similar. If you match their sides, the ratios of the lengths of the matched sides are equal. So that means AB, which goes with DE, you see they're the same side, AB and DE, okay? If we write them as a ratio, we're going to get the same thing as if we write BC over EF, and if we write CA over DF. Okay, if we make ratios out of the corresponding sides, they're going to be equal if the polygons are similar. Okay? Now, let's read this next part. Let me get that out of our way. Okay? Matched sides, such as AB and DE, are called corresponding sides. That's important. When the ratios of their lengths are equal, you can say that the sides are proportional. Okay. Matching angles such as B and E are called corresponding angles. Okay, now that first bit there was just to give us some definitions of what we're talking about. Because here's the big part, John McVie. This is the thing we want to know. Two polygons are similar if their corresponding angles have the same measure. Corresponding angles have the same measure, and their corresponding sides are proportional. Those two things have to be true. Okay? The angles have to be the same. B has to be the same measure as E. C has to be the same measure as F. A has to be the same measure as D. The angles have to be exactly the same. The sides form a ratio. Corresponding sides in a ratio are proportional to all the other corresponding sides. Let's see what they're talking about. Those two things have to be true. Okay, well, let's go down here to this first example. And here it says, example 1, similar triangles. Show that the two triangles are similar. Okay, let me ask you this, Lily. Angle A, this little thing right here, it looks like it's eating the A. That means angle. That's a symbol for angle. Angle A equals 60 degrees. Do you agree? And what else does it equal? What does it go with in the other triangle, Lily? Angle P. All right, so those two angles have the same measure. All right, great. Angle B, what's the measure of angle B? 90 degrees. That little box means I'm a right angle and I measure 90 degrees. And what does it go with in the other triangle? Equals angle Q. Okay? Angles and sides are different. Make sure that you note that. Isabel, angle C is equal to 30 degrees, and it's also equal to what angle in the other one? Angle R. So, are all the angles equal to 1 in the other triangle? Okay, so far we're good. The angles are all equal to each other. Now let's do this. John D., what side goes with AC? Here's AC. What side in PQR goes with AC? Q. What side in this triangle goes with AC?
Oh, PR.
PR, there you go. Okay. Now, John, what's the measure of AC?
90.
What's the measure of a side? It's not a degree. What's the measure of that side? How long is it?
Oh, 40.
40, that's good. And what's the measure of PR?
32.
Good. Now, let's see. We're going to leave it there for the moment. We're going to finish this problem up on the next video. So far, are we all right with the angles? Good. We'll finish the sides at the beginning of the next video.